I'm so excited to finally be able to tell you about the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. We created a revolutionary new photo and video experience with incredible enhancements in our camera technology. That much innovation requires a fresh new design to match. We've created a contra-cut design by combining the camera shell with the frame of the phone, covering the camera fully in metal. This camera housing is stronger and more durable than when it was covered in glass, and your phone's design is stylish and seamless. Galaxy S21 comes in 4 colors, while S21 Plus comes in 3. We give you different options to fit your unique style. Whether you choose Galaxy S21 and its 6.2-inch display, or the S21 Plus and its 6.7-inch display, you will get the most advanced, intelligent display we've ever put on a smartphone. With vivid colors, an adaptive refresh rate, and eye comfort shield, you'll be totally immersed in this new screen. Thanks to AI, this pro-grade camera does all the thinking for you. It knows how to adjust its settings to give you the brightest, most natural photos with 3 lenses that render your memories crisp and clear. That kind of intelligence turns everyday photography into an epic experience. And it's all possible with the computing power of Galaxy S21's brand new processor. At 5 nanometers, this chip represents the most significant leap in our chip performance ever, and that starts with the CPU. We're delivering 20% faster CPU, 35% faster GPU, and 2 times faster AI. And we've adopted ARM architecture to significantly increase our overall chipset speed, giving you the power to reach 20 tera operations per second. So we thought about new ways we could give you control over your camera. And we created a new visual experience called Director's View. Now you can see preview thumbnails from all your camera lenses while you shoot. That way, you can easily change angles, zoom in, go wide, close up, all while filming. You can make sure the video of your moment is just as epic as the moment itself. We also upgraded the S21 series privacy features for the pictures and text files you share. Now you'll be able to remove location metadata from photos to keep your location private. And if you have photos, videos, or text files that you want to share with friends, but you don't really want them to keep, we've got a solution for you. With Private Share, you can share your content and revoke access whenever you please, or just let it naturally expire after 2 days so you can send your content worry-free. S21 will be available starting at $799, and S21 Plus starting at $999. Both models can be yours on January 29th.
And Galaxy S21 Ultra takes it all up a notch. It's a smartphone built for people who want more freedom, more power, and more ways to shape the world around them. We built S21 Ultra with our most powerful processor, amazing display, and of course, our incredible pro-grade camera, so you never miss a single moment. Our 4 cutting-edge lenses give you an enhanced visual experience and open up a world of possibilities. With the support of precise laser autofocus, the 108-megapixel wide lens broadens the scope of what you can capture. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens adds more detail to every picture you take. And with our enhanced AI, the brand new dual telelens system creates a breakthrough in zoom quality. Our hardware and software teams work together to build a camera experience unlike any other.
Space zoom on the Galaxy S21 Ultra is a turning point in the zoom experience, offering superb clarity between 1 and 100 times zoom. To improve image quality in the 1 to 10 times zoom range, innovative dual zoom combines mid-range 3 times optical zoom with long-distance 10 times optical zoom to provide an optimized and balanced range of choices. From 10 to 100 times zoom, image quality is boosted by powerful super-resolution AI. At one push of the shutter, up to 20 frames are captured and processed at instantaneous speeds. Advanced AI then evaluates and corrects thousands of fine details to produce detailed images even at high magnification levels. The 4-lens optical system provides a range of optimized focal lengths, including one for intense macro shots. The S21 Ultra's camera uses its laser autofocus sensor to measure the distance between lens and subject in real time. If an object within 30 centimeters is detected, the camera automatically switches to the new 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, now with autofocus, and applies optimal macro settings for extreme close-ups up to 5 centimeters in distance.
As you switch between videos or pause to check emails, your phone will automatically shift between 10 and 120 hertz to optimize your viewing experience. At the same time, our improved super smooth scrolling experience and WQHD+ resolution will keep up with you. You'll get all these capabilities in the brightest, most vivid display we've ever built in a smartphone. This powerful device has a 6.8-inch display with a peak brightness of 1,500 nits. That's why we're introducing Wacom technology to S21 Ultra and making it the first ever S-Series device compatible with the S Pen. We're introducing 2 new independent S Pens today. The standard model, now bigger with a more comfortable grip, and the more advanced S Pen Pro. The S Pen for S21 Ultra will be available at launch, and the S Pen Pro will be available later this year, with unrivaled performance, design, and capabilities. You can get your very own Ultra device on January 29th for $11.99, and you'll be able to make it truly your own and choose among 3 gorgeous backplate colors that match the unique camera deco pattern. If you choose the S21 Plus, you can pick between 2 stunning colors with a delicate rose gold shell. These colors will be available exclusively from Samsung.com in select countries. However you personalize your phone, it will be a one-of-a-kind device to give you one-of-a-kind experiences.
Here are Galaxy Buds Pro, the most immersive sound experience on Galaxy Buds.
When building Galaxy Buds Pro, engineers were inspired by the highest quality audio devices around, speakers. Most premium speakers use a 2-way system. A woofer delivers bass, and a tweeter delivers high pitches. They work together to create rich, premium sound. But most wireless earbuds only use a 1-way speaker system. The reason? Size. Building 2-way speakers into a small earbud body requires an innovative solution. So engineers tried a new approach, system in package. SiP minimizes the size of each chip and organizes them into dense stacks to integrate all parts into a single component for more optimal use of space. This breakthrough in engineering enables the Galaxy Buds Pro to feature 2-way speakers. What really takes audio to the next level is active noise canceling. The Galaxy Buds Pro uses its outer mic to monitor ambient noise and its inner mic to monitor noise inside your ear. Based on these noise readings, the advanced chipset generates an anti-noise signal and eliminates up to 99% of background noise in real time. Intelligent active noise control. With intelligent ANC, as soon as you start to speak, a microphone detects for your voice while a sensor detects for vibrations. An advanced AI algorithm then ensures your voice isn't mistaken for other voices to confirm you're in a conversation. Ambient sound on the Galaxy Buds Pro will sound more clear and natural than ever before. Intelligent ANC lets you hear and interact with your environment while your earbuds are still on for a truly seamless transition from immersion to communication.
They're designed to sit just right within 3 key parts of your ear. We also added a 2mm vent to the outer shell of the buds to create airflow and balance the pressure around your ear, so you'll have a balanced fit without the feeling of tightness. And at IPX7, the Galaxy Buds Pro have the highest standard of water resistance in the Galaxy Buds lineup. You can get your own pair of Galaxy Buds Pro in 3 amazing colors. They'll be available for $199, starting January 15th. Galaxy Smart Tag allows you to take charge of your everyday belongings in an extraordinary way. It's a small, portable device you'll be able to easily attach to the things you love most, whether or not they have their own connection. And its coin-size battery lasts for months, so you can trust that Smart Tag will help you track down your favorite things, even if they've been gone for a while. Imagine that you left your door open and your dog ran off. You'd feel panicked, not knowing where your pet has gone. With Galaxy Smart Tag on his collar, you'll be able to track him using SmartThings Find. If he's far away, the Smart Tag on your dog's collar can send Bluetooth signals to a community of nearby Galaxy users who can help you track it down. The Galaxy Find network that powers SmartThings Find is encrypted from end to end, so you can track down your smart tag while keeping all data from Galaxy users in the network untraceable. Once SmartThings Find locates your smart tag, it will notify you about its whereabouts, and you'll experience the relief that comes from reuniting with your dog. You can attach a smart tag to your wallet, your suitcase, or even your bicycle. And if you have trouble finding your smart tag, you'll be able to ring it and follow the sound. You can get a smart tag on January 29th, and you'll be able to get a smart tag plus later this year.